Hello friends, welcome to Sathish Photography YouTube channel. Today I'm going to put a video about a DJI Fly update. I'm going to update DJI Fly 1.7.4 and going to test my 15-meter hack and all. Watch the video fully. First, I'm opening my DJI Fly app to show the current version which I'm using it. It's still in 1.6.12. So I'm going to download the latest version, but the thing is we can't download the latest version from official Play Store or Apple Store apps. We have to download from the DJI site only, and in India still it's not released. For 1.7.0 only it was released, so I'm going to take 1.7.4 from other links. I will post the links in description so you can check that out. Actually installing this 1.7.4 is a little bit risky only because the site itself mentioned while you installing itself it's saying some warning signs. So it's showing some warning sign like this, but anyhow I allowed to install it. I completed the installation. Once you install it you can't degrade the software app, so take your own risk to installing this latest 1.7.4. Features in this 1.7.4 is only for the Japanese remote, and they have fixed a few bugs and they have increased the interface of the software. Now the app version is 1.7.4. Let's test the height in outer. I'm going to stars and going to test it. So I have installed 1.7.4. Let's try how it working. First I'm switching on the RC and then switching on my drone. I'm just opening with DJI Fly app because defaultly I have three apps: Litchi, Rainbow and DJI Fly, so it will ask to open. So I'm going to test first with DJI Fly app only. Let's try it. So now we can see that takeoff button and landing button are in left corner. I'm just pressing the takeoff now, and I will show you the software app version again. It's in latest 1.7.4. It's not available in India for official DJI downloads. I have downloaded from other site, so let's test it. So as expected it's blocked in 15-meter height. Now it's in 14-meter only, it's blocked there. So I'm just going to land it and test it with Rainbow app. Now opening my Rainbow app. Just same old process. Go to aircraft and height restriction you have to change from 15 to 500 and just setting max height. First I'm going to test it with the Rainbow app itself. Let's see. So there is no problem with the Rainbow app. It's flying above 15. It's crossed 55 now, so I'm going to land it and again test it with DJI app now. While I use DJI app, it didn't work out after connected with Rainbow, so I'm going to do DH hack app only. I'm going to hack through this app and again I'm going to test it with DJI Fly app. So I have did a video for this. I will put that in description and I button also. Just enabling FCC and enabling the 500-meter hack now. Without closing this app, just I'm switching it to DJI Fly app and switching the cable also. Then only it will work out. So cable detached and attached again. Now DJI Fly app was connected. Just going to open the settings. Now you can see that 500 mm is working. Previously it was not adjustable, it's fixed with 15 mm. Now it's working perfectly. So let's try with the fly. Yes, it didn't block in 15 meter. It's flying above 15 meter now. So guys, this one also crossed 50 meter now. So it will fly till 500 meter. No issues in this. Now I'm going to test the Quickshot also. I'm going to test helix from Quickshot. Because whenever we update the software and trying the hacking method, the Quickshot and all is not working. Many times this happens, so I'm testing this with 1.7.4 also. Just selected myself as a subject and going to test the helix. The usage of this Quickshots is we can do architectural video or temple videos or even marriage videos with this DJI Mini 2 itself. Quickshot will make you very cool videos. So if it worked with Mini 2 itself, we can go with this itself. We no need to buy costlier drones. So it's perfectly working. Even in this 1.7.4. But I have got one more small warning issues and all. I will show that now. So helix completed. Now it's returning to the same place. So this is the warning sign. This is the first time I'm seeing after this update. It's about it is mentioning the mobile is very high, temperature is high and all, but the mobile looks very normal only, but this sign came 2 times. Rest of the things is working perfectly, so no issues in this. You can also upgrade it 1.7.4 with your own risk. For me, it's working perfectly. And thanks for watching this video. Share with your friends also. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get a future notification. Thanks for watching Sathish Photography YouTube channel. Thank you.